Hey, what's up, guys? Mindy here from Dental Tech Tips. Had a question come in today for a 3shape question, actually. So the question was, I have a doctor who sent me a scan body scan. It's with desk scan bodies, but I want to be able to send the custom abutment or the abutment to Truabutment for milling. Is there any way to switch that? So of course there is, and there's a very easy way to do it, actually. So I'm going to show you guys how we go about doing that. So first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the libraries that you're going to be kit swapping, which is what I call it, is kit swapping, is that the libraries correspond to each other and that they line up correctly. And the easiest way to do that is actually just hop into Control Panel. And so the system that they're trying to swap from is a BioHorizons Internal 3.0, and that was a desk scan body. So what I did was I went ahead and downloaded the desk elliptobase library. That's the one that has the 3.0 in it. And if you look at these kits here, and you click on one of these files, the implant or the analog model is this one here. And this is the location of that file, 114.001. That's the code for the DES analog, right? So it's going to show you the hex, and you can see here it's oriented properly. So then what you want to do is you're going to want to go to the Truabutment BioHorizons internal kit. BioHorizons internal 3.0 has the implant kit 2552, which is 3011. It's this one here. So again, you're going to navigate to this directory here, 3011. I already have it open over here. And when you turn this on, do a cross section with the cross section tool, you'll see that the Z, or the head of the implant, matches up from one to the other, as well as the hex positions. The library sizes are going to be a little bit different. I believe DES makes them not match one to one, but the position of the hex is right. Sometimes you'll see certain libraries are rotated 30 degrees relative to other ones. But because the DES and the true ones are aligned to each other, this is a very quick and easy kit swap. We don't actually have to rotate any components. So knowing that these two analogs or implant models are related to each other and they work out, we know that the heads of these scan bodies are matching too, right? So if we click on the scan abutment model, this one here of the true abutment one and the DES one, they're going to be correlated in space exactly the same as well. So DES elliptobase 3.0, same thing. It's going to be correlated in the proper space. So what you're going to want to do then is we're going to close this down. No, go here. I already have an order form entered in here, but I'm just going to modify it really quickly. So I just chose one random tooth just to show you what we do here. We go ahead, select it as an abutment, and what we're doing here is we're trying to encode the implant information into the DCM file. So I'm going to select a tooth here, label it as a DES BioHorizons internal elliptobase 3.0. Doesn't really matter what type we choose as a digital impression. We're going to hit OK. And I've already imported the file as well, so we're going to go ahead and hit design. Let this load up really quickly. And we'll go to the step where we're going to align the scan body. This is not a BioHorizon scan body. Hopefully the same. I think these were Straumann's, but it should get the point across anyways. So we're going to pick this one here with the BioHorizons internal scan flag. Use 3 points for alignment. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. And this is aligned. We're going to go ahead, hit next. And now what this has done is it has actually encoded the implant position to this model, this DCM that's inside of the order folder. So we have our analog here with the proper orientation relative to that BioHorizons kit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit save this order, close it. It's going to say it hasn't saved any files, but it has saved and encoded the file. So if you go explore the order, and what do I mean by encoding the coordinates? So when you look in here, you go to the scans, and you look inside the scans folder, you have your raw preparation scan, and then you have your MB and preparation scan.dcm. If you open this file inside of an XML editor or a hex editor, what it's going to show you is that it's actually embedded those implant coordinates inside of this DCM file. So it's telling you that the position, the XYZ position of that implant is inside of the DCM. So what does that allow us to do? Well, what we can do now is we can go ahead and click on this. It's abutment number 6 again. We're going to make a brand new one. I'm going to choose abutment number 6, and we're going to go true abutment. I'm going to go ahead, choose the abutment, choose my kit. I'm going to use a true titanium base or true angled. Yeah, we'll do the angled one. BioHorizons internal 3.0. This time we're going to choose model, because if we choose digital impression, we're telling the software that we want to align a scan body to it. If we tell it that it's a model, what we're saying is that this has been scanned on either an E4, an F8, a D2000, whatever it may be, and those implant coordinates are already embedded in the DCM. So we want to just import an embedded DCM file in. So here we go ahead, do that, hit OK, and we're going to go to that folder where we have this preparation scan with those encoded positions, import the scan, go there, hit OK, choose this preparation scan, and then now if we want to go ahead, go through and design our custom abutment, it's going to go and show that it's been annotated, abutment number 6, with the position here. There's a top cap angle violation, ignore those, that's fine. Set the direction, and you can see here, I'll do a very quick and dirty abutment design as well, I guess. But if you look here now, this is going to be the true abutment, oriented to, obviously, the DES scan body. So that's how you do a really quick and dirty kit swap. Of course, if the two libraries are not aligned properly, then you're going to have to go and rotate those and modify that. That takes a little bit more work. But in this case, because it's going from a DES to a true and they're both coordinated together, you're in luck and you can go ahead and do this really easily. So hopefully that helps, and hopefully this helps some of you guys understand kit swapping and just implant coordinates in general. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop them in the comments or send me a direct message, and I'm happy to respond or clarify. So yeah, I hope this shows you guys how to kit swap to go from one scan body system to another if you don't have it handy or you don't want to rescan anything in. I know a lot of other guys have already covered this topic, but I figured this video might be a little bit more explanatory and more concise. All right, thanks.